Taurus, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for 4th to 10th of May 2020. So yeah, this is a weekly reading for you guys. So let's see what is coming for you on this week of May 2020. This is for the Taurus people, please. Taurus people. Okay, let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Taurus from 4 to 10 of May 2020. Three of Swords. Okay. Sun. Right after the Three of Swords, you have the Sun. Wow, beautiful. Five of Swords. Knight of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Hermit. Some of you are dealing with the Virgo. King of Swords. Four of Cups. Judgment. Okay. High Priestess. Wow. So yeah, Taurus, I'm feeling that some of you are dealing with a third party situation because Three of Swords is here. So yeah, you know something about with this High Priestess present here. You know that the person is not loyal with you. They are betraying you. They are very deceptive, nasty. Yeah, they are not telling you the whole truth. They are hiding something from you. So your intuition is telling you something about the situation. Okay, so in your recent past we have Sun, Five of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. So you were very happy in the recent past, but then something happened with the Five of Swords and the situation become miserable. Yeah, and you are feeling very stuck with this Knight of Pentacles. You are like working for that growth in your life before, but after that breakup or with the Five of Swords, this is a very manipulative energy you were dealing with. You became a stuck person after that. Like your life has been stopped for a long time after this Five of Swords energy. So in your current energy we have Seven of Pentacles, Hermit, and the King of Swords. So after a long time, a long wait you have done in your life, and you have done a lot of work on yourself with this Hermit card present here right in the heart of the spread. You have done a strong work on yourself. That's why now you become a King of Swords, a very clear person. Now you know that who is telling you the truth and who is lying to you. And that's why like you are very clear right now. You can see through the people, and yeah, you're very determined and detached. You just don't want to deal with any kind of BS right now. You are following your intuition and you are going with it, which is great. In your Four of Cups immediate future we have Four of Cups, Judgment, and the High Priestess. So definitely you are not in the mood of accepting any love offers, and you are working more and more on your spirituality. You just want to grow more on the spiritualism, and yes, that's why High Priestess is here, and you are following the instruction of the universe with this Judgment card present here. Like Judgment is telling you, this is the universe. So universe is telling you that with your intuition, and you are following that. Universe is giving you signs and signals. So you are very in the like, I just want to say that you are following the path of the universe. That's why universe is co-creating with you what you want to establish in your life. Let's see why is the Three of Swords are here for the Taurus, please. Three of Pentacles, Four of Swords, okay, Page of Pentacles. So yeah, Taurus, definitely there was a third party situation, and I'm feeling that that is on your workplace with this Three of Pentacles, because this is a work situation. But you are now just healing from that situation, which is great, and you are moving forward. You are like yeah, steadily and very easily in the relaxed energy. You are not in the rush, so that's why you are moving steadily and smoothly towards your goals, towards your stability, which is great. So let's see, why is the Five of Swords are here in your recent past? Why is the Four of Swords are here for the Taurus, please? Empress. Okay, here you are. This is you, Taurus, Libra. Six of Pentacles, Justice, again Libra. So some of you are dealing with the Libra, a Leo, or another Taurus, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay, so Taurus, what I'm feeling from that Empress, that yeah, definitely you were feeling very happy in the recent past, and you want to build your empire with your person, with your divine counterpart, because this is the divine feminine energy, and you want to establish this energy for yourself. But something had happened with this Five of Swords, and that's why situation didn't stay balanced for you. The situation gone imbalance, and that was the karmic situation with the Justice card. Like, I'm feeling that some of you were dealing with a person who wants divorce from you. Yeah, definitely, because this is a court situation, and but you just don't want to do that. They were emotionally manipulate you. Yeah, that's why you had ended that, and you had been stuck for a long time. Yeah, that's why. Okay, let's see, why is this Hermit here in your current energy, please? This is for the Taurus. Why is the Hermit here? I can feel your stuckness, because now you are in the King of Swords. You just don't want to be in any kind of stuckness right now. You want to move forward and forward and forward, which is great. Hermit for the Taurus, please. Knight of Swords, yeah, definitely. Ten of Swords, Ten of Wands. Okay, so definitely you are ending a very rough chapter of your life. That was a big cycle. You are ended now, and after this communication, there will be a totally full stop from you towards that connection or situation, or whatever this was for you. You are ending it 100%, which is great, because you just don't want to lingering on it. That's why you are ended it 100%. Just let it go. Great. Why is the King of Swords is here for the Taurus, please? Why is the King of Swords is here for the Taurus, please? Queen of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Moon. Okay, definitely. Okay, so you just want to nurture only those things, only those subjects or projects or anything which you think that they will nurture you back, which you think that they will be progressive for your growth, for your success. You just don't want to deal any kind of secrets, any kind of fears. And if the person or something, or like in the work project, there's some kind of secrets or some kind of unknown things, you just don't want to deal with them, because you are very clear. And if the person will lie to you, if you're dealing with any business project or something like that, business partner, so you can see through them, because this is Moon card and this is your energy. So you will realize, you will know that the person is speaking truth to you or they are lying to you. Okay, that's why your energy is very powerful, Taurus, very strong. Let's see, why is the Judgment here in your immediate future? Judgment for the Taurus people, please. Queen of Swords. Okay, King of Pentacles, Magician. So Magician and the High Priestess, these are your energies, and you are following your intuition and you are manifesting whatever you want to manifest in your life. And then King and Queen of Swords, so very strong, very clear energies. So something is surrounding your energy, who is also very clear and very cold and detached. They also just don't want to have any kind of lies and any kind of BS. And I'm feeling that the universe is providing you your match, because we have twice pair, with this King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. So definitely you are clear, you want truth, you want stability, and you are very grounded at the same time, which is great. So you are manifesting this beautiful connection for yourself, which is great, very impressive. So why is the High Priestess here for the Taurus, please? Why is the High Priestess here for the Taurus, please? Emperor, okay. 8 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles. Okay, so 3 tens are here. So definitely a big completion of your cycle, and now you will be relaxed from it, you will be released from it. Beautiful, because we have Empress and Emperor. Definitely you are manifesting a very great connection by doing work on yourself and by doing the greater things in your life. This is the beautiful thing I've ever seen in your reading. So great, this is very blessed thing I'm feeling for you. You are moving towards the equal give and take in the relationship, and the partner is also wanting that equal give and take and balance and emotional contentment. It's everything. So this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you, Taurus. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below if you find it helpful, and you can share it with your friends and family. So yeah guys, bye.